When you search for the best laser light combo for your AR-15, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But the true differences are hidden deeper, and if you want to make an informed choice, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, TOUGHSOUL Tactical Combo. First up is the TOUGHSOUL Tactical Flashlight Green Laser Sight Combo. Priced at just $35.31, this combo caught my attention with its impressive 1450 lumens and compact design. If you want a reliable and powerful laser light combo, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ability to switch between white light and green laser beam with just a press of a button means you can adapt to different situations quickly. Whether you're out at night or just need a reliable light, this combo delivers impressive brightness and versatility. Plus, it's compatible with both Picatinny and M-LOK rails, meaning installation is a breeze. Now, some people complained about its battery life running out quicker than expected. Here's the thing though, with a built-in rechargeable battery that's easy to charge via a magnetic USB port, it's not a deal breaker if you keep it charged after use. This is perfect for you if you need a tactical light that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a longer battery life right out of the box, but for the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if the built-in battery life worried you, the next option takes a different approach. Product number 2, TOUGHSOUL M-LOK Tactical Flashlight. Next, we have the TOUGHSOUL M-LOK Picatinny 2-in-1 Tactical Flashlight with Purple Laser Sight Combo, priced at $39.57. This dual-color option really caught my eye. If you're after something unique that doesn't skimp on functionality, this one's worth considering. So why should you care? The innovative design allows you to operate in multiple tactical modes, whether you need a strobe or steady light. It's just 0.9 inches high, keeping your setup sleek and unobtrusive. However, some users noted that the purple laser wasn't as bright as anticipated. But I'll be real with you, if you're primarily using it for tactical situations, the flashlight's brightness more than makes up for it. This is ideal for anyone looking for a unique color option without compromising on power. Skip this one if you need maximum laser brightness, as the green options might serve you better. But for versatility, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid choice. The next one might actually be even better for users who prioritize maximum brightness. Product number 3, EZ-Shoot 1700 Lumens Combo. Coming in strong is the EZ-Shoot 1700 Lumens Laser Light Combo for rifle, retailing at $37.99. This one genuinely surprised me with its powerful 1700 lumens output. If you want something that can light up the night, this is your pick. What stands out about this combo is its magnetic rechargeable feature. You can fully charge it in just 1.5 hours, and the battery lasts a solid 20 hours when using the laser alone. Plus, the light reaches a whopping 280 meters, making it perfect for both day and night use. Now, some buyers mentioned that while it's bright, the mounting system could be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it's stable and does its job exceptionally well. This is perfect for night hunters or anyone who needs serious light output. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward mounting process, but if brightness is your game, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something even more durable, the next product brings some serious toughness to the table. Product number 4, TOUGHSOUL Max 1600 Lumen Combo. Next up is the TOUGHSOUL Max 1600 Lumen Rechargeable Green Laser Flashlight, priced at $47.41. Right off the bat, the 1600 lumens caught my attention. If you want a powerful high-performance option, this is definitely worth a look. This flashlight is designed with an ergonomic layout, making it easy to operate even when mounted. Plus, the durable aluminum body is IPX6 waterproof, so you won't have to worry about it failing in the rain. Now, some users have pointed out that the button placements can lead to accidental activation. But honestly, once you get used to it, it's a minor annoyance compared to the overall performance. This is perfect for those who prioritize high performance and durability in a tactical setting. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and compact, but it's a solid investment if you need reliability. Now, if you want something that combines performance with lightweight design, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 5, DARKFANG Flashlight and Laser Combo. Finally, we have the DARKFANG M-Lock and Picatinny Flashlight and Laser Combo. At $39.99, this combo offers 1450 lumens of brightness with a removable pressure switch, which is a nice touch. If you want flexibility and ease of use, this might be your best bet. The compact design and various tactical modes let you switch between flashlight, laser, or both easily. It's lightweight and shockproof, so you can rely on it in harsh conditions. The ergonomic design also means it's comfortable to operate. Some users have expressed concerns about the battery life being shorter under heavy use. Here's the thing, though, if you're using it for short bursts, it performs well and can be recharged quickly. This is perfect for those who want a lightweight, feature-rich option without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a high lumen output for long durations, but for general use, it's a great value. So there you have it. We've looked at 5 solid laser light combos for your AR-15. The TOUGHSOUL Tactical Combo, the TOUGHSOUL M-Lock Tactical, the EZ-Shoot 1700 Lumens Combo, the TOUGHSOUL Max, and the DARKFANG. Each has its strengths, whether it's brightness, versatility, or durability. Choose the one that fits your needs best.